A very good morning to all of you. So, today we are going to learn major dominants of the earth. The three main components of the earth which make life possible are water, air, and soil. Life exists only where these three components interact. So here are lithosphere means land, hydrosphere means water, atmosphere means air, and biosphere the part of the earth where life is found. लैंड को हम सिंटिफिकली लैंग्वेज में लिथोस्फेयर बोलते हैं, वाटर को हाइड्रोस्फेयर, एयर को एटमॉस्फेयर और बायोस्फेयर जहाँ पे हम अभी रहते हैं. ओके, सो अब हम लिथोस्फेयर के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. द सॉलिड पोर्शन ऑफ द अर्थ इज कॉल्ड लिथोस्फेयर. लिथोस्फेयर का जो सॉलिड पोर्शन होता है उसे हम लिथोस्फेयर बोलते हैं. It comprises the rock of the earth crust and the thin layers of soil that contain nutrient elements which sustains organisms. Okay, वो earth के crust को contain करता है, means rock. There are two main divisions of the earth's surface. The large land masses are known as the continent and the huge water bodies are called the ocean. Continents and ocean के बारे में हमने पढ़ा है. ओके, सो यही जो लिथोस्फेयर है वो हमारे टू मेन डिवीजन ऑफ द अर्थ सरफेस को कैरी करता है. मीन्स लार्ज लैंड मासेस कैरी और इट इज़ नोन एज कंटिनेंट एंड ह्यूज वाटर बॉडीज जिसमें पानी रहते हैं उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, ओशन. आप पिक्चर्स में देख सकते हैं ओशन बना है, लिथोस्फेयर, एटमॉस्फेयर बने हुए हैं. ओके, सो दैट्स अ कंटिनेशनल क्रस्ट, इट्स अ वोल्केनिक एरा. So now we will study about continents. There are 7 major continents जिससे आप बहुत वाकिफ हैं. They are separated by large water bodies. These continents are Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia, and Antarctica. So Antarctica continents. This is a whole structured whole map of the continents. You can see. Now Asia. Asia is the largest continent. It covers about 1/3 of the total land area of the earth. Asia एक बहुत ही largest continent है जहाँ पे हम लोग रहते हैं और वो 1/3 part of the area को cover करता है. The continent lies in the eastern hemisphere. Continent जो क्या करता है वो eastern hemisphere में lies करता है. The Tropic of Cancer passes through this continent. Tropic of Cancer continent से pass होता है. Asia is separated from Europe by the Ural mountain on the west. Okay, so you can see in the map Asia हमारा बना हुआ है. Now Europe. Europe is much smaller than Asia. Europe Asia से बहुत छोटा है. The continent lies to the west of Asia. Continent कहाँ lies करता है, west of the Asia. The Arctic Circle passes through it. It is bound by water bodies on 3 sides. हमारा यूरोप जो है वो 3 साइड से वाटर से घेरा हुआ है. Okay, it is bounded by water bodies. Now Africa. You can see the whole structure of Africa. आपने सहारा डेजर्ट के बारे में भी सुना है, हमने पढ़ाया सहारा डेजर्ट. सी, सो दिस इज़ द होल स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ अफ्रीका. इसमें डेजर्ट्स बहुत ज़्यादा आपको मिलेंगे. इट इज़ ऑल्सो बाउंडेड बाय द वाटर बॉडी से बाउंड है. अफ्रीका इज द सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट कॉन्टिनेंट आफ्टर एशिया. The equator or 0 degree latitude run almost through the middle of the continent. Some part of it lie in the western hemisphere, whereas a major portion lies in the eastern hemisphere. कुछ पार्ट वेस्टर्न्स में लाई करते हैं, कुछ पार्ट ईस्टर्न्स में लाई करते हैं. Okay, so Africa is separated from Europe by the Mediterranean Sea in the north. The Red Sea and the Indian Ocean lies to its east. Atlantic Ocean lies to its west. मैंने बोला था ना ये जो हमारा अफ्रीका है वो bounded with the water bodies. The Sahara Desert, the world's largest hot desert, is located in Africa. The continent is bound on all sides by oceans and seas. Ocean and seas से मैंने बोला था it is bounded by water bodies. Okay, and the Sahara Desert is the world's largest hottest desert. Nile is major river of Africa. Major river of Africa कौन है? It's Nile. Okay, you have to fix it in mind. On all sides by ocean and seas, and Nile is a major river of Africa. So Nile river in Africa and Sahara desert, ये आपके pictures दिए थे. North America. North America is the world's third largest continent. It is located in the northern and western hemisphere. It is surrounded by the Pacific Ocean in the west, Atlantic Ocean in the east, and Arctic Ocean in the north. The Mississippi River is the longest river in North America. Mississippi River जो हमारा है वो longest river है North America का, ठीक है. North America हमारा world third largest continent है. It is located in northern western hemisphere. Okay, it is surrounded by Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. This South America is also bounded with water bodies. Okay, you can see in this picture. आपको pictures. So South America is located in the western hemisphere. The continent is located in the south of Northern America and is surrounded by the Pacific Ocean in the west and Atlantic Ocean in the east. In the eastern part of South America are the Brazilian highlands. Amazon is the second largest river in the world and it flows through the northern part of its continent. Not that Amazon जहाँ से हम order करते हैं. It's a name of a river, Amazon. Okay, so now Antarctica. Antarctica is the southernmost continent of the world. It is surrounded by the Southern Ocean. It is coldest, windiest and driest continent. 98% of the continent is covered with ice. हमारा 98% जो है वो ice से cover रहता है. South Pole is located in Antarctica. आप pictures में देख सकते हैं कि वो बहुत मतलब white area है ना. वो white area जो है वो हमारे ice से covered area है. So the hydrosphere. Hydrosphere refers to the part of the earth that is covered with water. जो water से covered है. Hydrosphere consists of water in all its form as running water in ocean and rivers and in lake, ice, in glacier, underground water and the water vapor in atmosphere all comprise the hydrosphere. जहाँ आपको पानी मिलेंगे that is considered as a hydrosphere. Of the earth's surface, 71 is covered by water, only 29% is by land. सिर्फ 100 में 29% हमारा land cover किया है, 71% हमारा water cover किया है. More than 97% of the earth water is found in the ocean and is too salty for human to use. बहुत ही salty होता है, मतलब नमक वाला पानी होता है. A large proportion of the rest of the water is in form of ice sheets and glacier or under the ground, and a very small percentage is available as a fresh water for human use. बहुत ही वो 71% में भी ना बहुत ही कम परसेंट ही यूज़ होता है ओके पीने के लिए. The ocean of the world. Ocean covers 71% of the earth's surface. There are 5 main oceans. उसके 5 main oceans है. कौन से? Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Arctic and Southern Ocean. The Pacific Ocean. अब हम Pacific के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. The Pacific Ocean is the largest 5 ocean. वो 5 ocean से भी बहुत बड़ा ocean है. Means it is located between the Southern Ocean, Asia, Australia and North and South America. The Pacific Ocean is roughly circular in shape. ये बहुत circular in shape में है. The length of its coastline is 135,663 kilometer. This is the deepest ocean. बहुत ही गहरा हुआ ocean है. The average depth of Pacific Ocean is around 4030 meter. बहुत ही गहरा समुंदर है ये. Okay. Atlantic Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean in the world. ये second largest ocean है. It lies between the Africa, Europe, the Southern Ocean and the Western Hemisphere. The length of its coastline is 111,866 kilometer. The shape of the Atlantic is like the letter S. S के letter में उसका shape है. It is smaller than Pacific Ocean. ये Pacific Ocean से smaller है. It has large number of natural ports and harbors. It is the busiest ocean and support international trade ग्रीटली। ये इंटरनेशनल ट्रेडिंग मीन्स एक्सपोर्ट इम्पोर्ट का बहुत अच्छा बिजनेस इस ओशन में चलता है। मीन्स यू कैन एक्सपोर्ट एंड इम्पोर्ट। ओके, सो एस शेप का उसमें पिक्चर दिया हुआ है, यू कैन सी। आपको पिक्चर्स में दिख रहा है कि वहाँ पे अटलांटिक है, इट्स अ साउथ अटलांटिक, इट्स अ नॉर्थ अटलांटिक। सो नाउ इंडियन ओशन, द इंडियन ओशन इज द थर्ड लार्जेस्ट ओशन इन द वर्ल्ड। इट इज़ लोकेटेड बिटवीन अफ्रीका, द सदर्न ओशन, एशिया एंड ऑस्ट्रेलिया। दिस ओशन इज ट्रायंगुलर इन शेप, ये ट्रायंगुलर शेप में है। कौन सा ओशन ट्रायंगुलर शेप में? इंडियन ओशन। यू कैन सी द ओवरऑल व्यू। Okay, the Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean in the world. It lies between the Arctic Circle. So this is the Arctic Ocean जो हमारा पिक्चर zooming होके आ रहा है, ठीक है। The Arctic is connected by the Pacific of narrow stretch of shallow water bodies called being strait. So most of the year the Arctic remain frozen. बहुत से अभी frozen area है तो इसमें polar bear बने हुए थे। Southern Ocean is also known as Antarctic Ocean. It's found between 60 degree latitude. Thank you.